How to pay on Atom using Gcash. The first things first is try to decide if you will be using the web version of Atom or through their app. Now there are multiple payment methods on Atom that is offering us. So you just have to log into your account. Now if you go ahead and pay for your Atom installment, all you have to do first is just to go ahead and click or tap on your current installment plan. And then in there, you should be having a bunch of options on payment methods on how you would like to pay it. You can also even try to use your bank. Now, it's not going to be indicated as Gcash, but instead it is indicated as e-wallet. Now, you can also try to scan a QR code and scan it directly to your Gcash application. You just have to ensure that your Gcash account is fully verified and ready to use. And that's it. That's very easy and convenient. That's how you pay on Atom using your Gcash account.